Okay, in this video we're gonna start deploying our sensor. So here you can see that Andy is holding to the sensor, and you can just you can either drop it and you can just press on it and you can deploy the sensor. And after you do the deployment, the first thing you would like to do is you would like to determine the north. So for that we have the magnetic north, and we have the true north, and we have the declination angle. For the declination angle, you can learn the declination angle from the website, from any website on the internet, according to your location. But once you get that declination angle, you can adjust your compass, and then you can find out where the true north and where the magnetic north is. Okay, since we did that, since we're doing this study in Utah and Salt Lake City, and our declination is like pretty much closer to 12 degrees, so we already set up that. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to align our sensor. To align the sensor, we have to find our north. So in here you can see this is going to be the true north. So, and your north will be indicated right between these two pins. So imagine a line, a vertical line going through those two pins from the middle. That will be your north. So, and also one thing you would like to do is you do not want to get your compass too close to your sensor, because those pins are magnetic, and that's why it's going to mess up your compass here. Once you got your true north, just align your sensor and it's good to go. So Andy is going to do that right now. And of course, like, it would be really nice to have something more specific, like a stick, or maybe an aluminum line or something else that would really help you. Once it's aligned, the other thing you can do is the leveling. Here we're going to do the leveling first, but after we start the acquisition, we're going to do another leveling, because it's possible that you may have moved your sensor a little bit while you're leveling, while you're starting the acquisition. So once it's leveled, the first thing you would like to do is you would like to go to Field Tool Mobile from the start. So Andy is doing that. Andy is going to the Field Tool Mobile. Now it's loading. And there you go. You can see your station geometry. So we're going to select the arrow, and we're going to select the first sensor here. And as you can see the numbers. The first number on the left is the line number, and the second one is the geophone number. So this is the first geophone in first line. Once you get that, you take your connection cable and you connect to your HHT. And you also turn on the GPS by going to the GPS and connect. In this case, you may need to wait for a while. As Andy is pointing out, right now it's indicating as red, which means we do not have the connection. It's going to take some time to connect to the satellites. Unfortunately, the HHT doesn't have a really good GPS signal, GPS antenna, and that's why it's quite hard for it to get a really nice signal. The one thing you can do is you can actually try to raise your HHT to the southwest or south skies, and you will be able to catch some satellites. And here you can see that it's just turned to yellow, indicating that we're about to connect to the satellites. And in fact, if just about couple seconds ago there was like a green dot showed up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit and at least try to get the green fixed signal for the GPS. So again, this could take some time, depending on the weather conditions, depending on where you are. If you are in an open area, you'll be able to catch a signal. And now it just turned to green. Because of the glare, you may not be able to see that, but it just turned to green and it's a fixed signal. So what we're gonna do is, now we're gonna take our cable and connect it to the pins on the sensor. As you heard the click sound, that means we have a really nice connection. And then the second thing you can do is, here you can start as clicking on this yellow sensor thing on the on top bottom. I'm sorry, on top right top corner. It's possible that it might give you some error because it's out of the location, so you can try to do that. Or the other thing you can do is you can go to the RU unit and you can say deploy. Okay, we're getting some errors here because like we just lost a signal and we can't see ourselves on handheld device. So one thing we're going to do is we will try to get the signal again, and we will retry that again. Andy is trying to get the connection with the satellites.
Good. Got it.
We got it. Okay, now we will try to redeploy it, and then we will say continue.
Starting operation.
As you heard, the acquisition has just started. That's it. Oh, also, just a quick reminder, we have an LED on top of the sensor. So right now it's a long blink. This means the acquisition has started and it's searching for the GPS satellites. As soon as it's connected to one of the GPS satellites, for the timing, the LED will change to 2 quick blinks, indicating that the RU unit is recording. So just to keep in mind.